Hello my beautiful friends, today, we are going to discover how to use the capital letter in Italian language. This grammatical aspect is very useful to learn how to write correctly. In Italian, there are two options. In a first group of cases, the capital letter is mandatory. In a second group of cases, the capital letter is optional. Let's go to analyze these two groups and their main cases. When the capital letter is mandatory for all proper names, capital must be used, both for people and for our animal friends. See the examples.
Marco, Paola, la gatta, Daisy.
You use the mandatory capital letter for all the proper names of places, as cities, regions, nations, mountains, rivers, lakes, streets, squares and similar.
Puglia, Italia, il fiume Ticino, il Vesuvio, Roma, Pitigliano.
You must use the capital letter after any exclamations marks, question marks, at the beginning of a sentence, or after the marks, at the end of a sentence. Here are the examples.
Attento, guida con prudenza. Hai già mangiato? Siediti che ti do un piatto di pasta. Io ho finito. Ora tocca a te.
The capital letter is also mandatory with the names of astronomical elements, as the planets.
Giove è un grosso pianeta.
Also the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon must have the capital letter if they are old, as astronomical elements.
Il Sole è una stella.
When the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon are used in different contexts, the lowercase letter is used. See the following example.
Oggi c'è un bel sole.
You have to use, mandatory, the capital letter when you are speaking about the ancient populations.
I Romani costruirono un impero.
Now, let's see the second option, and all the cases when we can choose to use the capital letter or not. When we are speaking about a today population, we can use the capital letter, but it is often used the lowercase letter.
Gli italiani amano la pasta.
Look at the difference in the above example. In the English language, the capital letter is mandatory. Warning: if you are speaking about a singular person, you have to use the lowercase letter. Hear the example to better understand.
L'italiano ama la pizza.
The second case is about the names of public or religious offices. The capital letter is optional, you can use it or not. We use the capital letter when we want to emphasize the social function. So, you can write both.
Il ministro.
Here we are, my friends. These are the main cases, just to start. Enjoy and see you at the next video. Video tutorial is over. Subscribe to the channel if you like, and see you soon. Ciao!
Il video tutorial è terminato. Iscriviti al canale. Ciao!